Hello, welcome back to Titan Machine Tool. Continuing video series on repairing this front differential through shaft for the 1966 auto car 10-wheel dump truck, possibly DK series. Anyways, you saw all of that. You saw me turning the run out off the shaft in the other video. If you didn't, I got videos of that. So this is where we're at now. I'm not done yet, but I set it up with the steady rest here. Turn, 3/4 inch nub, 3/4 inch diameter with a big fat hefty weld prep on it, and now I'm threading it 16 pitch, 3/4 16. So we got a couple more passes here to size that up. Here's my thread gauge. These nuts tend to be on the loose side. So I know when this thing starts to go, when it looks like, oh yeah, it's starting to go, I can feel it. It feels like it's gonna be going pretty soon. Then I'll switch over to the actual mating piece. Try to fit it nice and tight. Not too tight, but nice and tight. So we got the steady rest set up here. This actually isn't even the steady rest made for this lathe. This is for a Proto-Trak 1630. I have a 1745. So when I first got this thing, it was off center, up and down, and left and right. So I had to make an adapter. I got an adapter down there underneath it. It sits on the ways, sits on the V of the way, sits on the flat on this side. And it'll put this thing on center, up and down, and left and right every time. So I can loosen it up, slide it down the ways, back and forth, wherever. And it'll stay on center, left or right all the time, because the adapter sits on the V. And then on the actual adapter itself, you can't see it, but way down in there, can't see it, it's out of focus. But there's a V down in there as well. Yeah, I guess you can kind of see it right there. You can see the hole I have in that V. I got fastening it to the adapter. So anyways, that steady rest locates on a 90-degree V, and the adapter locates on the ways, so it repeats back on center every time. So that's what we got going on there. We're gonna take a finished pass on the threads. That's what we're finishing up here. Let's get the machine queued up. Run, start at event 10, spindle on. Little dab of dual oil here. Sorry for moving the video around, but I'm working with no tripod, just holding it in place here. Put a little oil on there. Get that baby queued up. I'm gonna cut a, gonna take a couple thousandths off and a spring pass or two. All right, so let's try that. Might need a couple more thousandths, but see if the nut starts to go. Be patient, I'm working with one hand here. All right, so it still doesn't go yet, so I'll make a tool offset, take a couple more thousandths, take another pass, rinse and repeat. I'm not gonna do that on camera, but you got the gist of what's going on here. So once I size that to the other part and it fits nicey nice, I'm gonna screw, before I take this apart, I'm gonna screw that piece on there. This guy. I'm gonna screw this guy on it. And we'll see how good it runs. Maybe I'll do a video for that. If it looks good, I'll do a video. If it looks like shit, I probably won't do a video. So that's what we got here, the steady rest set up on the shaft, supporting the far end of it. I could have did it with the center on the end. I could have kept the center on, because I do have a center hole in the end of that shaft. But then I got to back it up every time I want to size the thread. Take the center off, check it with the nut, put the center back on. Take a couple more passes, back the center up, check the nut. Plus this way I can do a video of something different too, right? Maybe I'll do a video of the adapter I made some point in time. Well, that's it right there for today. Steady rest setup. If you got any questions on what I got going on here, feel free to hit me in the comments. Thank you for watching. Titan Machine Tool signing off.